Hi guys! Do you know what are those Jawbreakers or Gobstopper candies? Those huge balls? So, during this weekend we were in the Netherlands in Amsterdam and stopped by one of the candy shops and found an amazing Jawbreaker. One which looks like this. Really huge. I bet you couldn't fit this in your mouth. So how do you eat this? We need to break it apart in some way. And we've got the perfect tool for that. Okay. How are you supposed to eat that? The hammer broke apart. This football. Nice mess. Let's try a knife. Wow! Awesome! And the other half? Like a chameleon.
Yep. Yep.
So, that's what's inside. So that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
As you can see, breaking this apart is quite a mess. So there's gonna be quite a bit of vacuuming